I have got a parcel. I think I know who it's from, and it's for my nice EV. Or should I say the battery of my nice EV. And it's from JLC PCB. Now, I'm only getting my prototype boards done through JLC PCB. If I make any more, you know, like for all the batteries on the car, then I'm still having my quantities, large quantities, done by Caitlin and her company. So let's see what we got in here. Yeah, I heard that. Everybody shouted, printed circuit boards. You're right. There's a lovely pen. I like these pens. I think their packaging is second to none. Top quality. Just took over 2 weeks to get here because I wanted them to come by Chinese post, because I didn't fancy paying the DHL customs import duty, which was 9 times out of 10 the same cost as the boards. It was the postage. Okay, they're in a very nice sealed pack as normal. I tell you what, they do a fantastic job. An absolutely fantastic job. Okay, should we see what the boards look like? Now these are relay boards that are going to be switching the battery in and out of charging and powering the car. Whoops, daisy. Just want to get that sheet off. Okay. Right. Let's have a look. They look amazing. Absolutely first class. There are people. I can get you. That's better. And I've tried to keep the instructions on the board, because there's a link at the top here, and that will determine whether this is the first board in the row or one of the serial boards in the row. So that's the instructions for that. You have the comma normally closed for the first board and normally open for the series link. So if it's one of the boards in the middle, it'll be normally open. If it's the first board in the pack, it'll be normally closed. And then the link comes out, the common comes out to terminal here. So it's good. These two here are, and as always I am well prepared, because oh, that's not them. I can't see them at the moment. Nope. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll show you a battery pack. As many of you know, I've been poorly again, and the extension to the lab hasn't happened. Anyway, getting back to this. This is how I get the packs, as you know, right? And what I'm doing is slicing maybe if I did it one at a time it might be quicker. Right, comes off like that. I'll clean it up obviously, and then all that will happen, instead of taking these off and putting them in terminals, they will go onto the board like that. Even better if I got it in shot. Each board will do 2 packs, which will mean that I only need 6. And what I'll do now is I'll show you. Now, I'm not supposed to lift anything heavier than 2 bags of sugar until I get the all clear. So you haven't seen this, okay? Yes, I know, I shouldn't, but if I did everything, I would not do anything. I know my limitations. Okay, so there will be, probably go that way, to be honest. Per pair, pardon me. Now, this is a long-winded way of doing this, I know, but it's the simplest way I can do it. Because these packs are in series, I can't very easily use an independent battery management system. And as each of these cells, there's 5 in each pack, has got their own battery management system, and plus underneath, I'm going to ease this up, they've got a safety valve. I hope you can see that. It means that if they do gas, they won't cause a flame, because they'll vent the gas and it'll be in the atmosphere long before they can get hot enough to ignite. Now, as I said, the connections will be coming over like that, so that'll be good enough for what I want. And this will then make up one battery. Now I've got enough relays to do each board. Now, for one battery that is. Now, I fully realise that I could have done it easier with MOSFETs. But I'm from the relay era, you know, that place long, long ago that you don't get taught about in college electronics. You had a lot of hands-on experience then. It was good. And I found that I could do as cheaply with relays by buying them in quantity from China. That could be done almost as equally inexpensive with MOSFETs. Sorry, that's the way I was dragged up in the electronics world. But I'm very, very pleased with these boards. I really am. And now I've got them, I can get on and build them up. I've got the plugs for the sockets for the packs. I've got the relays, I've got the connectors, got the diodes, and I've got the links. I'm not doing a what's it link. I'm hardwiring the link so that once the battery is made up, the boards can't be swapped around. Well, these could be, but the first one can't be, because that's the one that will have the first board link on, and then all the others will have the link on to say that they're serial boards. So yes, once again, JRPCB have surpassed themselves, and I am a very happy man. Now what I will do is get this built up and wired up, because I want to test the controller and the motor running at this. This will be 220 volts, I think it is, and the controller I'm going to use will be switching a 500 volt, I think it's 30 amp MOSFET, and the reason I'm using this particular one is because I saw a video recently of someone running that type of MOSFET with an Arduino. I shan't be using an Arduino. I should be using a bog standard controller, I hope. I don't know which way I'm going to go with the controller yet. But anyway, there you are, people. The battery boards are in, so I'll be able to build and charge the very first battery for my nice EV. And there's the first one, wired and ready to go, assembled and ready to go. All I got to do is do another 5 with the serial link, which is common to normally open, and then I can wire up this whole pack and do some testing with it. But that will be for another video, the testing of this. I would really appreciate it if those who haven't subscribed would click on the subscribe button and then the bell icon next to it, so you get notified when I put up a video, and also would you mind clicking either of the like or dislike buttons? I'm not bothered which. It just means that you've watched the video and think it's a load of rubbish if it's a thumbs down, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again soon.